Are you constantly tired? Do your joints ache for no reason? Maybe you're dealing with brain fog, skin issues, or digestive problems. You go to the doctor, they run some basic tests, maybe give you a prescription and send you on your way. But the symptoms linger. You're told it's just stress or it's part of getting older. But what if it's something more? Something your doctor might not even be looking for? What I'm talking about is chronic inflammation. It's been called the silent killer, and for good reason. It's not the acute inflammation you get from a cut or a sprain. That's your body's healthy healing response. Chronic inflammation is a low-grade, persistent fire burning inside your body, day in and day out, contributing to nearly every major health condition, from heart disease and diabetes to autoimmune disorders and even depression. And here's the frustrating part. Many doctors aren't trained to find its root cause. Medical school, for the most part, is brilliant at emergency care and managing symptoms with pharmaceuticals. Got high blood pressure? Here's a pill. Got joint pain? Here's an anti-inflammatory drug. This approach is life-saving in many cases, but it often misses the bigger picture. It's like constantly mopping up a flooded floor without ever asking, hey, why is this faucet still running? So let's talk about that faucet. What are the major root causes of this chronic inflammation that are so often overlooked? I'm going to give you 3 huge ones. First up, your diet. This is non-negotiable. The standard modern diet, packed with processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats, is like pouring gasoline on that inflammatory fire. Think about it. Your body builds its cells from the food you eat. If you're giving it junk, you're building a weak, inflamed foundation. Foods like sugary drinks, pastries, fried foods, and processed meats are major culprits. But on the flip side, a diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and quality proteins, is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory tools you have. It literally changes your body on a cellular level. Second, your gut health. Hippocrates said over 2,000 years ago, all disease begins in the gut, and modern science is finally proving him right. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, a complex ecosystem called the microbiome. When this ecosystem is out of balance, a state called dysbiosis, it can lead to a condition known as leaky gut. This is where the lining of your intestines becomes permeable, allowing undigested food particles and toxins to leak into your bloodstream. Your immune system sees these as foreign invaders and launches an attack, creating a state of constant body-wide inflammation. And the third major root cause, chronic stress. We all have stress, but I'm talking about the relentless, never-ending kind. The demanding job, the financial worries, the toxic relationship. When you're chronically stressed, your body is constantly pumping out the stress hormone, cortisol. Initially, cortisol is anti-inflammatory, but over time, your body becomes resistant to its effects. Your immune system goes haywire and inflammation runs rampant. It's not all in your head. Your mental and emotional state has a direct physical impact on your body. So what does this all mean for you? It means you have to become your own health advocate. If you're feeling unwell and not getting answers, it's time to look deeper. Start tracking your food and your symptoms. How do you feel after eating certain things? Look into your gut health. Are you experiencing bloating, gas, or other digestive issues? And be honest about your stress levels. What can you do to manage them? Meditation, nature walks, setting boundaries? Don't be afraid to ask your doctor bigger questions. Ask them to explore the connections between your diet, your gut, your stress, and your symptoms. Push for more comprehensive testing if you feel it's needed. This isn't about blaming doctors, it's about empowering yourself. Your health journey is ultimately in your hands. By understanding these root causes, you can finally start putting out the fire, not just mopping up the smoke. You have the power to take back control of your health.